Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In this video, we will see how we can use the division in Excel. I have some sample numbers in column A and also in column D. For this particular exercise, I have taken this data. Let us use the division and get the result. I'll be dividing 24 by 2. So I have to use the formula equals 24 / and 2. I will get the result as 12. To divide 48 by 4, I have to use the formula equals 48 / and 4. Enter. I will get the result as 12. Equals 66 / and 2. I will get the result as 33. I am using the numbers straight away for division. If I wanted to divide all these numbers with one particular number, for example, I wanted to use 2 and divide all these numbers. In that case, I will use equals 24. Instead of 24, I have to use the cell reference A1 / and 2. I can now copy the formula by dragging the formula. Now all the cells has been divided with 2. And we have the result in column B. If you check any of the cell, you will see the formula which has been used. So A6 divided by 2, which is 33.5. We have used 2 to divide all these numbers, and we have got decimal values here. If I don't want the decimal values, I have to use another formula which I can use, which is called as quotient. I have to use the formula quotient. Then I will select cell reference A1 and I have to use comma. I need to divide by 2, so 2. I will get the result as 12. 24 divided by 2 with quotient is 12. Because I don't get any decimal value here, it is straight away giving me the result as 12. For these numbers, let us see what will be the result when I drag the formula. Now, if you notice, there is no decimal places when I use quotient. But the result of the division is not right. Only to avoid the decimal places, we can use the quotient just to get an integer value. So this is how you can use division or quotient to do the division. Let us take another example. I have data in D column, and if I wanted to divide again by 4, I will use the formula equals D1 / and divided by 4. Enter. I will get the result as 6. Then copy the formula across remaining cells. I will get the result. Let us do one exercise. There are 7 classes and total students for each class is given here. and there are 2 rooms for each class, these students has to be divided and they need to be accommodated in each room. For that, I need to use the division equals h2 divided by 2, 15. I will copy the formula, and also I can copy the formula for j column. I need to mention equals 30 divided by 2 and copy the formula. Each room has 15 and 15 people. For 30, for these students, we need to arrange in such a way that 23 and 22 in another room. Since the values are in decimal, we cannot accommodate in a proper way. Let us use the quotient and see how we can convert the decimal values into integers. I will use the quotient. Then select h2, comma, and divided by 2. Since we have 2 rooms, we are dividing by 2. Apply the formula across all the cells. We have the integer numbers now. Let us use the formula for room number 2 equals quotient, open the bracket, and students, comma, divided by 2. Then close the bracket. I will get the result as 15. Drag the formula to copy. And now I have the results for room number 1 and room number 2 in integer. If I have students 35, I need to accommodate the student in such a way that in room number 1, 18 students will be accommodated, and room number 2, we have 17 students. For room number 27, we can accommodate 14 and 13.